What's up, blue chips? 3 trades today. MNK, TEVA, AVYA. Let's get to it. So we got MNK up here right off the scanner. You're going to put an order in here at 495 and an order at 505. So that way if she wants to hit them both, we'll get our average there right at 5. As you can see, we got 495. Just kind of wants to poke through 5. If she can hit 505, then we're good to go. Because based off the range here, we were looking to start with 200 shares here. Probably should have just did 75. Kind of doubling my orders here instead of kind of taking the route I wanted to, but and of course it wants to keep going on the one that I do that. We'll be looking for an ad, we'll say up near 530. Let's see if she wants to get up there on the same move. All right, we're going to actually start a position here on TEVA. It's on my other screen, so you can't see it. But it's moving pretty good. Once we're done with the MNK trade, I can bring it up over on the main screen. All right, we're getting this push on MNK. All right, we're going to add there. Got 35 on that nice little squeeze. And we'll see what it wants to do from here. All right, so we're going to take half there on TEVA. I know you guys can't see it still, but once we get the chart up, it'll make a little bit more sense. So MNK is coming down. We have an order for 300 of our 400 shares at 515. Our average is at 517.5. See if we can get down there. We're right here. I don't really want to mess with it because, okay, we got filled there. We'll see if we can kind of hold off on the rest, see if she wants to kind of just continue down towards 5 and maybe get down under 5 and make a decent little move down. All right, we're kind of struggling at this 510 area. It looks like it wants to keep getting up there, so we're just going to go ahead and take it there. It looks like she wants to rebound a little bit here, so we'll just take the trade there and be happy that we got out of that green because, quite honestly, wasn't traded the best. Kind of took off on us there, so we ended up getting in that one a little bit early. So we so we got this big move down on TEVA, kind of flirting around our average a little bit. We were risking off high a day there, and it looked like we were going to get stopped out, but it got rejected. So we're just kind of looking for this down towards VWAP. Probably just take this off. Here we go. Doesn't really seem like it wants to go too much lower. A little bit of a seller wall there on the ask, but we're just going to go ahead and take it. Probably only would have got an extra cent or two there because it looks like it was a pretty big move down there towards VWAP, so we'll just be happy, getting out of that. All right, AVYA just pulled this up right off the scanner. It's going nuts. Looking at yesterday, it's right at that same point. We'd like to get another pop, hopefully back up. There we go. All right, we're going to start it there, 64. Coming right back down, nice. All right, we're going to take half there. Would have been nice to take the full position a little bit before that, but that's okay. Okay, she's going to shoot back up. All right, we're going to look for this to get back down there towards 1350. We're just going to most likely take it there. A little bit of a bummer. That thing actually, I thought it was just going to shoot back down like we saw there on yesterday's chart. That would have been real nice. Looks like it has other plans today. There we go, back down there towards 50. It's pretty whippy. All right, here we go again. Trying to be patient with this one. There we go. Bids under 50. Come on. All right, bids coming up. All right, we're just going to take it there. All right, traders, that was my roundup there on my 3 trades, AVYA, MNK, and TEVA. So AVYA, just right off the scanner, blasted up there. We got a short position, shot right back down. Probably should have just took the whole position there on the quick move back down. We ended up taking half as it kind of popped back up a little bit, looking for it to fall over. Obviously, it had other plans. It actually looked like it was forming in a nice ascending triangle here, and it looked like she might try to go high of day on the 4th retest, but instead she got rejected again. Now she's kind of going sideways. Looks like she might go up for the 5th retest here pretty soon, but that's not really our style. If it wants to make a big move through 14, it might be something we'd be interested in if it pops up on the scanner. So real quick over to TEVA. This was the same kind of thing. I know you guys couldn't see this one, but looks pretty standard for our types of play. Had a nice quick move up on some volume. We got short. We would have looked to add up there towards 750 area, probably through 750. But instead, we got a pretty nice drop right off the bat. We took half. Looked like it was ascending up. We actually had these a stop order in for these right at 740, and it just never got there. It got rejected twice, and we came back down. Kind of felt like she was kind of done right there at VWAP, so we took our position. Just happy to get out of that with where it ended up coming back down to. And she ended up giving us a little bit more, but not a big deal. Happy with the trade overall. And MNK was kind of a sad face in the end. In hindsight, I started this with a little bit more position size than I wanted to. I should have did 75, 75, and then 150 instead of did 100, 100, 200. We played it well after the early entry here. However, essentially this should have been my first ad, whereas in these first 2 orders was just my initial entry. So I kind of scared myself out of this one a little bit just because of the sizing. So just to get out of this one green, I was okay with. But in all, I should have taken half here and then maybe another half and then just kind of let the rest ride out because as you can see, we would have got rewarded. But it is what it is. Learn from our mistakes, and that was my day. So, like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Always appreciate that support. Sorry that I still sound like this, as you can tell. I'm actually still wearing the same shirt from yesterday because when my wife got home yesterday from work, I went right to bed, and I didn't wake up until this morning. I slept for around 13 and a half hours, and I still don't feel that great. Throat's a little scratchy, all that good stuff. But so just happy to get some trades in this morning. I'm with both kids this morning as well. I'm like sweating, super hot for some reason today. I'm assuming it's a fever, medicine maybe kicking in, whatever. Don't forget about the Discord channel, guys. That's the link's down in the description below. It's a little bit further down. But yeah, we have a bunch of people getting in there. We've been talking every day, so that's a lot of fun. And yeah, just trying to build that up so we can interact with each other, grow as a community. And that's all I got for you guys. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those down below. Bring up the Discord, ask me in there. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.